Cancel the Christmas update now! Pumpkin, you think you could tell me what to do? I am not removing the update. I said do it now! Okay, geez, I'm canceling the update. There, now leave me alone. Hundreds of players are quitting because of your stupid update. I worked hours, days, months on this update, and you still hate it. How do you like that? You want a piece of me, Melon? Because I'll show you. I heard about your trash update. See what you did, Pumpkin.